Is your Range Rover Velar's alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue, often stemming from the interior motion sensor or the bonnet hood switch. First, try a simple reset. Hold the lock button on your key fob for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, the problem likely lies in a faulty sensor or a software glitch. Many owners have success using third-party diagnostic apps with their Velar's ECU to identify the specific issue. Low battery voltage can also trigger false alarms. Start with these basic troubleshooting steps to see if you can resolve the issue quickly. If problems persist, further investigation is needed. If a reset doesn't work, inspect your Velar's interior motion sensor for dust or obstructions. Cleaning it with compressed air might help. A faulty bonnet switch is another frequent culprit, especially in 2020-2023 models. Check for recall ETSA campaign number 24V-4F6. Software updates, available via the InControl app, can also improve sensor calibration and reduce false positives. For sensor replacements or complex issues, consider a professional JLR service to avoid voiding your warranty or causing ECU damage. According to experts, 80% of Velar alarm issues are software-related and resolvable with resets, but hardware failures will necessitate parts replacement. While DIY fixes work in many cases, a dealership visit might be necessary for persistent problems. Using OEM parts are encouraged.